Want to know how you can easily tell Cursor AI to add default values so that your code does not fail and still runs even if the program does not have input values. So let's get right into it. So first things first, you're gonna simply open up your Cursor AI application. So once you have done that, you should be seeing this file right here that I have opened with the code. So we have created similar videos that help you with Cursor AI on how it works and more of these tutorials, so make sure to watch it. So once everything is done, right here as you can see, again just simply select Ctrl+A to select the entire code just like this right here, and just simply type in Ctrl+K. This should open up a quick editor. Just simply select edit selection on the drop down box and just simply type in this. Simply select enter after it's typed, and once that is done, your generation should begin, and now it should add a default value. Make sure you have a quick internet for this as well. And that's it. After everything is done, you can just simply select keep and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. So if it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in to us for more similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.